Dave and Joe's Nature Show. And hey, keep it down out there. I'm trying to film a show. My partner Joe's usually here, but I don't know where he's at.
I found a Dwayne.
Oh, found a Dwayne. Ain't that some stuff? What we have here is a tree butthole. Salad's been tossed.
Here we have some bush balls. They're poisonous, but they also make you trip balls.
If you look off into the distance, you'll see some wild trains. You don't usually see those around here.
Here we have some Applebee's lettuce.
Whoa, 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 whoa. I've never seen these in the wild before.
Sometimes in life, you have two paths to take. One full of riches and health, or another path filled with
Twins!
Join us next week. Check out this water. Hey, my eyes are up here, buddy.
Just give me 30 seconds. Hopefully this doesn't turn into anything more.